The Creative Outlier Air versus Sabbat E12. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look at two highly requested earbuds from the viewers out there. The Creative Outlier Air and how it compares to the Sabbat E12. Both are priced very similar and under $100. I will go over some specs, features, provide microphone samples, and give my final thoughts on them. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. On the left, we have the Creative Outlier Air, and on the right, we have the E12. I've done a complete unboxing of each of the earbuds and gone into detail of package contents and features. So please refer to the links in the description or at the end of the video if you want to find out more. The Creative Outlier Air features 10 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, USB-C charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The Sabbat E12 has 6 to 8 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case, 1 hour to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, USB-C charging, and also wireless charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the two cases. As you can see, the Creative is a bit larger and longer. The Creative case is fairly light and plastic all around. It feels solid and durable, and you can see the branding on the front. On the left side, you have the LED indicator and the USB-C charge port. Accessing the earbuds is just a matter of sliding the case out, and the earbuds are held into place by magnets. The Sabbat case has a smooth glossy finish, and it's also plastic all around. On the bottom, you can see the wireless charging logo. The back of the case has the LED indicator and the USB-C charge port. The lid is pretty tight and it feels solid, and the earbuds are also held into place by magnets. And here is a Sabbat E12 case on a wireless charger. You can see it charge. The Creative earbuds is a bit wider than the Sabbat. It is fairly light and you can see the ear indicators inside, and the button controls for playback and calls. Each of the earbuds have the following: a microphone, button controls, LED light, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. The Sabbat E12 has a slimmer form factor and a glossy outside. You can also see the ear indicator marking on the inside, and the button controls for navigating as well. Each of the E12s feature a microphone, LED light, button control, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here are the E12s side by side. And now the Creative and Sabbat side by side. The Creative case comes in at 3 by 1.7 by 1.0 inches. And when the case is open, it comes in at 5.4 inches. The Sabbat case comes in at 2.3 by 1.2 by 1.5 inches. The Creative case comes in at 54 grams, and the Sabbat case comes in at 47 grams. The Creative earbuds come in at 10 grams, and the Sabbat earbuds come in at roughly 9 grams. So very similar in weight. And now for some microphone samples. This is a test of the Creative Outlier Air microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the microphone of the Sabbat E12. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphones were okay. The Sabbat came in a bit louder than the Creatives. Nothing exceptional, but it works. I had no issues with them during calls. Pairing was also quick for both of the earbuds. Watching video with an iOS device, they both worked well. I didn't notice any latency or experience any disconnects. Range was good as well. So here are my thoughts between the Creative Outlier Air and the Sabbat E12. Sound can be subjective and everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Starting off with comfort, both felt really good. They were easy to put on and don't require excessive twisting. The button controls on the Sabbat E12 were easier to navigate as opposed to the Creatives. The Creatives takes a lot of pressure to use the button and it tends to push in further into your ears. Both stayed into place while running. Build and quality are very similar. The cases felt durable, and the Creative case may be a bit larger than your typical earbuds case. Having the wireless charging on the Sabbat is also a plus. The Creative earbuds do have a slightly larger form factor compared to the Sabbat E12, which are a bit slimmer and don't protrude out as much. The Sabbat does tend to attract a lot of fingerprints with its glossy finish, but nothing that can be easily wiped off. Now let's talk about sound. Starting off with the lows, both were exceptionally good. The bass was punchy and tight. I would have to give an edge to the Creative Outlier Air because it just sounded a bit more heavy on the bass. Mids and highs were very good on both. Vocals and instruments come in very loud and clear, but I feel that the Sabbat E12s come in a lot louder when it comes to the mids and highs. At times, I felt that the Creative lows were a bit overwhelming, but both deliver on a good overall listening experience. So when it comes down to it, each has their own pluses and minuses. Both are solid performers in my opinion. I think it will come down to how you like to listen to your music. If you really like the heavy bass, then the Creative Outliers may be a good choice. The Sabbat E12s are also good in the bass department, but shine more on the mids and highs. Both have a good battery life and an IPX rating, so it can be used for workouts and casual use. And I feel at this price point, they have tremendous value. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.